Is the Gymshark Onyx 5.0 seamless t-shirt worth it? In this video, we're gonna figure that one out. Hey everybody, I'm Massimo. Welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars, fashion, lifestyle, the Show Me channel. And today we're going over this bad boy, the Gymshark Onyx tee. So before we get into the unboxing, be sure to like and share for that YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribe. Any support would just be awesome. Now let's get right into this t-shirt. Alrighty, so getting into the unboxing here, the Gymshark t-shirt kind of just came in this kind of cheap plastic bag, not gonna lie. Translucent and has a Gymshark on the front with the little Gymshark logo on the back. Not too bad, not too bad. I got the medium muscle fit in the black light gray styling. Anyways, forget about the freaking plastic bag. Let's just take this t-shirt out and whoo, here it is. Oh my god, first impressions of this t-shirt, just kind of like feeling it. Holy crap, it feels like really nothing else out there. Alrighty, so here is the famed Gymshark Onyx 5.0 t-shirt. So some background information. This t-shirt launched with the Onyx collection back in May with the retail price of $50. But good luck getting your hands on a t-shirt for that price, because these things are very hyped. They do sell out pretty quickly, and they resell for almost double that amount I've been seeing. Pretty crazy. So is this t-shirt worth it? So we're reading that Gymshark is really trying to redefine like athletic wear technology, and they hit the perfect formula for this 5.0 t-shirt. And I gotta get props to them, man. They're trying to do something that is very hard, which is like blending performance with comfort and styling. Not an easy task. Okay, so for the front of the t-shirt, this is the black and light gray design. So it's gonna be pretty much mostly black on the bottom half, but on the top towards the chest, they kind of have this really cool, trying to zoom in here so you can kind of see better. It has this really cool like dashed up pattern design, which is really dope. And I like how it kind of gives a little bit of a motif to sharks. As you can see, there's kind of like two teeth going down both sides. That's really dope. And then on the top here, we have the Gymshark logo. So turning to the back of this shirt, the theme kind of continues on back here a little bit, but it's a little different. So you can see it's mostly back, but we do have this sharp shark theme kind of still going on back here with like all the lines and everything. Kind of looks like the front head of a shark. I mean, it's really dope. Zooming in, whew, that's a cool pattern. I really like how it even like tries to outline the pattern a little bit too. You can kind of see that on the sleeves. It goes like dashed to a little smoothing out gray pattern, and then straight to black. That is really dope detailing. The sleeve stitching is kind of crossed up a little bit, and this is to give you kind of like more performance with like your shoulders and everything, more movability, which is really nice. And also, this being a performance shirt, I mean, the materials are pretty damn good. So it's made out of actually three materials: nylon, polyester of course, and elastane. So this shirt is also designed to be very stretchy, very breathable, and to hug you in place. Like if you put this shirt on, your curves are going to pop out. For the stitching quality of the shirt, it's pretty good too. I mean, it still has quite a few stitches right there. But yeah, it looks like it's done pretty well, and it feels really, really sturdy. Coming to the top of the t-shirt, has a very nice ribbed elastic collar too. What's in to kind of hold your neck in place and everything. Really dope. From the top all the way to the bottom of the t-shirt, we actually have a really cool design going on here. If you look in closely, you can see a little Easter egg. It says "Be a Visionary," and it kind of says this all around the bottom portion, which is really cool. For the interior of the t-shirt, not too much going on besides the fact that it's all gray. And then rounding off the shirt, we have one tag right there on the collar. Right here, it's both the sizing tag and the wash tag. Right there, I got a medium. You can kind of see the material breakdowns, all that. And also says "Keep away from fire," which is kind of funny, man. Like, is this t-shirt like really flammable or something? I think it's time that we put it on body and show you guys what it looks like. Alrighty, so this is what the Gymshark seamless t-shirt looks like on body, and as you can see, yeah, it feels really, really tight. That's kind of the purpose of the t-shirt, you know? And I definitely feel like my shoulders are like being propped up by something. It kind of feels weird. It definitely hugs my biceps a lot. I mean, it feels like someone is just like gripping them. That's actually kind of weird. But yeah, and also when I was trying to put on this t-shirt, man, this collar is pretty tight too. I mean, I felt like I was like strangling myself putting on this t-shirt. It was funny. However, it is also very breathable. Like, it is pretty hot in my room, and I don't know how it does it, but it kind of gives me like this very, very cool wave every once in a while. I don't know, it's like the pockets of the air opens up and gives my chest some breathing. But yeah, here it is, and here's what it looks like from the front. Turning to the side now. Shoulders are absolutely popping out of this thing. Not gonna turn around and show you guys what it looks like from behind. Yep, showing you guys all those cool aesthetics and all that stuff. Hopefully it makes my chest look good too. There we go, and turning back around. All right, so yeah, it's pretty cool. Styling of this t-shirt, I think that's pretty tricky. I think you're gonna have to go with definitely the full gym fit. Definitely go with gym shorts or joggers, but I would try to go as slim as possible. Like, I think you're gonna look really uneven going with some baggy shorts, some baggy joggers, like some Fear of God joggers. You're definitely gonna need to go with something tighter for this thing. I see people trying to rock this t-shirt too with some jeans and stuff, but I don't know. I don't think it works. Sneaker wise, yeah, I would go with more sportier style sneaker. Definitely try to go for Asics or something. Lifestyle shoes, it could work, but I don't think so much. Try to go with some nice runners. Like, my top picks are definitely going to be some Asics 1130s or maybe some New Balance 96. Maybe Air Max 90s at the max. Maybe you could probably stretch to Air Max 90s, but yeah, I think that will be the best go-to for this. Comfortability wise, this t-shirt is for the most part comfortable. It's just you gotta get used to that very tight feeling. Like, this thing is hugging you. So some people may not like that at first or something, but yeah, comfortability definitely feels like I have a lot of freedom too in this t-shirt, just moving around and stuff. As well as also seems like it provides some extra like support. Like, I feel like I'm being like held up. Alrighty, now that I give my styling tips and stuff like that, I guess it's time to get my final verdict of this t-shirt. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. It's a great t-shirt. I mean, the styling is cool, but it's not really my vibe. Definitely if you're more gym oriented or athletic oriented, it probably will speak to you more. But me, I'm a streetwear guy, so it's not really for me. The materials, however, is probably the best part of this t-shirt. It definitely feels like it's made out of really good quality. It feels like it's gonna take a beating. It's gonna last you a long time. And if you could score this short for a retail price of $50, I would definitely say it's worth it. But if you can't and you have to pay more than like $70 to $100 for this t-shirt, I think it's a little overpriced. And at that point, you're kind of paying for the hype. So yeah, I think like the max you should pay for this t-shirt, $70. Don't go above it. And yeah, I think that all really needs to be said for this t-shirt. So the Gymshark Onyx 5.0. Damn it. And yeah, I think that really all needs to be said for this t-shirt. So the Gymshark Onyx 5.0 seamless tee. What do you guys think about it? Comment down below your opinion, like and share for that YouTube algorithm, and last but certainly not least, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.